What is up, my family? Good morning to everybody and welcome back to the channel. Please go ahead and throw those A's in the chat right now. If you can hear your boy speak, go ahead and throw those A's in the chat right away. And congratulations to you if you are in the meta trade right now, team. We are at 356.34. It looks like it's going to capitulate all the way down to that 355.80. And that would be the short-term scalp to get the hell out of the markets around there. Literally right around here right now, team. That you could even pull it right there too. So please be careful with your take profits as we go. But congratulations on this, and you're looking really good. I already scalped the crap out of this downside. There we go. Damn, let's go. That is a winner right there, team. Kill it. Wow, look at that. The next move here would be to there it is. That right here, I would pull out right here, you guys. Nice. There we go. Did you get that 80? Did you get the 355.80? Perfect. Danielle, your play. If you took it, Danielle, congratulations to you. That was an excellent execution at 355.80. It went down all the way to 355.69. What a murderous play right here, team. Wow, what an awesome play. That is the way to execute, team. That is the way to do it. Yes, Danielle, I love to hear it. I was really hoping you committed to that sell. I was really hoping that you were going to commit to that drop. Right? We knew that this thing was going to drop to that point and then and it'll be over, right? So that was it. Good. Congratulations to you. I love it. Oh my goodness, guys! I'm sorry. I haven't even said. Mike J, you got a 28% gainer. Nice, you guys. I gotta tell you, man. I've already done around 80% on this drop here for meta. It's ridiculous. Another one to keep an eye on would be Microsoft and Amazon, team. These are all tickers in play right now. I love it, you guys. This was great. This was absolutely great. Did you get to catch your percentage, Danielle, on it? This was, man, I actually, out of the fear to start, check this out. I'm going to show you something. So, I don't know if you noticed that the stream kind of paused a little bit for a quick second. Oh, did you catch the, oh my goodness, 64% on that trade. Danielle, that is awesome. Mike J, congratulations to you. Danielle, congratulations to you. I love it, you guys. That is absolutely a ripper. So, guys, check this out. So, I don't know if you noticed that the stream it kind of paused for a little bit, right? Yeah, that was that immediate downside, Danielle. That is that volatility. That was Vega injecting. It's called an IV pump. So that was injecting directly into your delta. So your delta ripped to the upside on that moment, and you pulling the trigger right at that target. That was it. You know, we don't know that it's going to go. Look at this. It's 355. Look at the bottoms here, right? 355.69, right? There's no way we could have told the bottom. We don't know what that bottom could be, but 355.80. That's close enough, right? So we can't predict the bottom. We can only speculate on what that potential bottom could be. So I love it, team. Congratulations. So Damon Wiggs said, got my indicators in TradingView. Thanks. I just got a 29% on that meta. My brother, congratulations to you. And I hope that we can do that, right? Immediate return of investment. I mean, how about that, right, team? I love it. I absolutely love it. And so anyway, I don't know if you noticed earlier that the stream kind of paused right when it was counting down. So I was like, oh my goodness, what the heck is going on? I had to turn off my entire streaming software, right? And I came back and you know, I had to open up my mixing window. This is the audio distribution. This is the audio distribution that I use, right, for the Zen interface. So every time I talk, you can see all of these pump, right? And the music that you're listening to, see it? Right? All that stuff, I control it all through here, right? So like out of nowhere, all the audio failed. And all I heard was this. Guys, check. 1, 2. That's all I heard. I was in God voice. I was like, what's going on? Why is this happening? I don't know. Man, look at Meta. What the hell happened? Guys, that scalp that we did down there was the gnarliest miracle. Oh my goodness, man. I don't even know how to react to this. Danielle, you and I and Mike J and Damon, we just got away with literal murder. I mean, inflection point bandits right here, you guys. Oh my goodness. Mark Roach, I know, man, I know. Dude. Oh my goodness. So, Danielle, I'm freaking stoked too. What about this happy Friday though? You know what I mean? Damn. Oh, dude. So Tom R saying Arca out here looking like he playing old school DJ Hero on Xbox, bro. Ah, man. Oh my goodness. Damn, Danielle, you nailed 5 contracts. What the hell? Oh, yes. Which ones did you get? Did you get the because I was personally playing the 355s. I was playing the 350. Oh no, I think it was the 350 250 or the 355s. I forgot which one I played, but I think it was one of those. And they freaking just went crazy. They went berserko. Oh, that's the one. Okay, good. All right, so look, I'm gonna show you an image, right? I'm gonna show because you know, like you guys remember Aiden Davis, right? Aiden Davis, he's I've taken him under my wing. He's one of my master students, one of the younger ones, right? He's 19 years old. So when it comes to him, I hold on just a sec. Let me just make sure that I can just save this damn thing. Where's my audio routing preferences? Here we go. Okay, good. I just need to get rid of that thing before it changes it all up. So Aiden, you know, one day came up and asked me. He goes, Arca. He goes, I need to see your receipts. He goes, can you show me a list of your trades? And I was like, oh man, I was like, that's gonna be a little tough to get. So I did. I was like, you know what? Let me get you the last week or two of trades. So I got him the last week or two because I think he might have been a little sus. He must have been sus about my plays, right? He probably doesn't think that I was actually playing them or winning. Right, so I go, oh man, good news. I got all my trades for the last 2 weeks, right? So I show it to him, and he's like, no way. He was like, dude, you're a monster. I'm like, no, dude, it's all good. We can all do that. We can literally all do that, right? So here, look, just because of that is why I want to show you too, right? So let me pull up here. Discord. What is it called? Dash Trader allows you to look at, you know, your day's trades. So I would need to go into to the broker side and pull out the history and all that crap. You know what I mean? So these are today's trades right here, right? So you can see my initials, right? These are all buy, right? So I bought them at 32 right here. You can see the 32, 32, 32, sold them at 39, 39, 40, right? So I bought these right here at 68, 68, 67. Literally buy all the way up to 70 cents, right? All the way up to 70 cents. I sold those at 77, right? Here's another set. I did 95, 95, 95, buy at 96. I did more at 90. I bought it all the way up to 99 and I sold those at 107 and 106. All right, so here's the fourth trade today. I did 66 on all of these, right? 65 right there. The buy, it went up all the way to 69 and I sold them at 70, 71. So literally every single trade that I executed today was green, right? Every single one. And that last one that we just did together for a massive runner, right? So that and you know what? You can actually see a pretty nice display like this. Let me see if I can pull it up. So I can show you 3 of those trades, right? Check this out. Here on this screen. So these are 3 of those plays that I just read to you, right? You trigger the buys right here, right? You sell. Trigger the buys, you sell. Trigger the buys, you sell. And then we waited all the way over here till they got down to 60 something, right? And then we bought again and sold, right? So it's just, guys, you know, sometimes it's just I didn't want to disappoint Aiden. That was really all that mattered, man. I didn't want to disappoint Aiden because he had a hard time getting into the course because of his parents. They thought that I was, you know, maybe a con artist of some sort, right? And so he's kind of the reason why I start to pull up some receipts sometimes, right? Because of him. And yeah, I care about the kid, man. So, you know, but congratulations to you guys, team. I love that we got this. I love that we got this. And I'm not going to lie for you. I'm not going to lie to you 1 second here. I just executed like 5 green trades or whatever that was. I am clean out of the markets now and up like 80 something %. So I have to not trade because that's over trading and that becomes a gamble there. You know what I mean, team? But damn, Daniel, you bought it at 54, sold at 89. What a monster play. That is ridiculous. Oh, that is really something else, team. I love it a lot. And you know what? It's because we're so, guys, this is the last day. This is the last trading day for 2023, and we just came out of it with a bang. You know, so if you can consider, you know, maybe staying cash, because that morning volatility probably won't introduce itself until 2 more times today. It could be right after lunchtime, NYSE. That's one of the times, right? And then it could also potentially be a power hour, right? But yeah, like I said, it's just we're right at the tail end of the year, literally. And if you're ending on a green note, you know, might as well just take it and run free, run wild. Right, so coin is falling off a cliff. Oh, you know what? That was all at his discretion. What's his name? Off-grid Gorilla. Is he in here? Gorilla, are you in here, buddy? Dude. So, yeah, look at this. This is what I was telling you about Microsoft potential long. This, damn. Not bad. It's at the resistance and it's trying to break upside of that. Linear regression resistance too. That's massive. Damn, Bob, you took 100% on your coin puts already? My bro. Look at that. Off-Grid Gorilla just finished his coin puts today with 108%. That's right. You opened them up yesterday at the end of the market, right, brother? That is awesome. Gorilla, I don't know if you were listening to me, man. I think I just did plus 80% on meta puts. Just scalps this morning. 4 or 5, right around there. OGG, killing it, bro. Bob, congratulations on that. Ian Tucker, what's up, buddy? So there's going to be a tax loss sell-off, I believe. Oh, what? In overall broader markets, Ian? Or you're thinking small caps? Actually, small caps could benefit from that. Origin, good to see you here, buddy. Amazon, yeah, Amazon was the other play that we were talking about. Huge retracement here. Wow. Ah, dude, you guys, I love it. It's good to see you here, Origin. I love it. Yeah, why don't we do that? Kitties, let's see. Look at LQR. What, today? No way. You gotta be joking. Let's see. Oh, brother, but are you seeing what I'm seeing though? We kind of. Hold on. Our initial thought was 350. Our second target was set to 337. right? And we were talking about a potential liquidity trap here at 352. I do remember that. So let's let's break it down. Let's see what's going on. Because if this thing's gonna play the channel for real, then it may actually get the bottom side of this, right? So, and you're looking at what would that? Hold on. Are you guys still Kitties, are you still in LQR, or did I see you say that you got stopped out? Wolf at 269. Thank you, Mark Roach. You're in LQR, okay. I'm really wondering if it's trying to complete the range. Kitties, you hard stopped? Like it did it for you? Kitties, we need without actually saying retribution, we need retribution on that. Let me see here the technicals and all that stuff. Okay, there is still downside to go. It still looks like it has a kink on that downside. Let's see the immediate short-term time frame. Let's see if it's starting to finish off that. Yeah, there's a kink here. Oh, okay, gotcha. So as soon as you noticed that it was going to go to the not 236, you stopped out. It was a manual stop out. Damn, brother, I can't tell you how much I admire that. I cannot tell you how much I admire you pulling that. Because the truth is where was the 236? Do you remember the dollar value? You think Coin? You think Coin still wants it? Damn, Microsoft looks like amazing for puts right now. Hold on, let me see Coin. Oh my goodness! No way! You got out at 360, kitties? That's... Hold on. You literally saved yourself like over 20 cents. Okay, the only thing that I'm not stoked to hear about is that you faced a major loss, meaning that you kitties, are you my master student? Yeah, the People's J. I spoke about that with my brother this morning too. Tesla has been super weak as well. Coin has a support coming down at prior day lows. This is the take profit here, 177.76. Okay, kitties, I asked for a reason. So You know what? Not even my master students for track 3 are there yet, right? But this would be under strategies, execution for short, execution for long. I think that's week number 12. They're going to week 6, and this is take profit right here for me, right here for coin. Check it out. Mark Roach, check out Riot, Mara. All of those are gonna be falling stupid hard. That's a break below. Oh my goodness, no way. Oh, that is. You have no idea how tempted I am. Not gonna do it. Well, what I will tell you is that the hourly time frame, the hourly time frame has a gap. 175.63 is your gap support. I think it wants it. Damn. This right here. This could be a gap support right here. Oh my goodness, entirely blew through it. That is amazing. Whoever is in on this, what a banger. It closed the gap. Well, I mean, it closed it again. Look at that. It went all the way down to 175.07. Literally left a lot of coin on the table. Yeah, man, I know. That was the story of every single play that I played today, and still managed to get 80-something%. If this thing fails this gap, well, there's another one. 174.32 to 173.53. I mean, dude, this is nasty. Bob, 100% is nothing to be ashamed of. You know that, brother. That W is a massive W. Yes, it could have been 200%, 300%, but consistency is key. Look at that retracement from that gap. Damn. That is ridiculous. This is crazy. Prior day low resistance located right there at 177.54, I think it was. Or 177.74. Kitties, Any is also one of the miners, right? Yeah. Bob, that is good to hear, my brother. So Bob just said a month ago I would have held and possibly lost. You have taught me to take the W. Thank you for that, my brother. You're very welcome. Oh man, that was nasty. That was absolutely beautiful. I mean, it sucks for a lot of holders, of course, but I just really what I want you to do is just see the potentials of trading the financial markets up and down. You know why? Because when we drive, not only is there a gas pedal for driving forward, right? But that gas pedal can also drive in reverse. You know what I mean? CAUD. Why? I'm hearing a lot about this. PCSA completely it had. I think something came out. But let me look at. I'm sorry. What were you guys saying? $2.58 was the put that you sold it and went to $7.25. bro. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. So look at this. That, you know, earlier today, I was showing the team, you know, my executions for today. Every single execution was green, right? So if I would have held that for the first, not for the last trade that we did, but if we were to have held me from my initial entry of $32, okay? I know what you mean. I know what you mean, brother. And I hate kind of putting it like that, because then it like makes me feel like, did I really just fail that gnarly? You know, so look at this. These are all of my executions for today, right? You can see them right here. These are all this is like, for example, the first block of buys that I did, and this was the sell from those blocks, right? These were the blocks of buys, and these is the block of sell. These are the blocks of buys, and these are the blocks of sell. So up to this sell block here, look at where I entered. 32, 33, 34, 36. Look at where it went to. 107. Freaking stupid upside, brother. I know what you mean. And you know what? My brother was also saying the same thing earlier today. He was like, man, you know, I had that Amazon entry perfect. I could have held my position. I hate that I do that, you know, but oftentimes, guys, I hear that a lot. I hear a lot that we complain about the gain that we got, but don't do that. Try your best to look at the consistent gainer that you got. You got a win, because many didn't. Yeah, Danielle, I'm so happy that you did that, right? That was from the initial 30-something from my video, right? 30-something to 80-something. So, CAUD alerts came in and pointed that out. CAUD is still facing some pressure to the downside. Wall Street Ponzi, what's up, my brother? Galvin, it's definitely better than an L, right? Especially when you're up like exponentially, man. John, good morning to you from sunny Southern California. I'm definitely here with you. The 29th is today. And sorry, kitties, which one was it? You know what? You're gonna Danielle, in regards to what you said there, you're gonna face traders that are very much respected, that will tell you to try your best to remove the emotion from the trade, like Mark Douglas, which is the person that I completely respect in trading. His psychology for or teachings, right, for the trading mind is, I mean, it is an absolute staple for traders, right? So I don't disagree with removing the emotion from the trade, but how do you remove the emotion from the human? I feel like that's something that's almost improbable. You know what I mean? So if you're facing something that's improbable, then I would honestly master the emotion, be one with your emotion, and use it to your advantage. Completely agree. Katie Cat. Yep. Mark Douglas. He's the man. You know what I mean? I've read many books. You know, I've read many books, especially psychology ones. And right now, literally here on my desk, I'm starting to outsource my psychology. Right. So I'm outsourcing the psychology away from the trading psychology. So now what I'm doing is I'm reading The Art of War from Sun Tzu, right? So I'm outsourcing it in a different way. You know, so that I can gain a different perspective. Right? And I noticed that different psychology books really focus on several different areas of your mind. And I'm also noticing an edge with using your emotion to your advantage. Meaning like, don't let your emotion like get insane, of course. I don't mean that by any means. What I mean is that your intuition and discretion are tied to your emotion naturally. So if you can somehow join forces there, get those and make it a joint force and forward test it, right? So meaning that you would have to statistically back yourself. So keep a measurement over this, knowing that you, with intuition and discretion, emotionally triggered your exit strategy. Damn, I think meta's falling. Yeah, meta's coming back down. So if you can do those, maybe. Yeah, Wall Street Ponzi, I'm about to get Sun Tzu dangerous. I know, man. Some great YouTube channels that I listen to every morning. Brother, you got to share some of those with me. I love it. Coin is going down even further. No way. It just, look at this. It's coming up to the gap, the second gap, the 174.30 to 173.53. Wow. That is absolutely magical, man. Damn. And you have no idea right now. My emotions are running me, and I'm just not going to react to them. Because first of all, I don't trigger 5 trades a day, man. I really don't. And then I know that as soon as I start getting greedy, it's going to just nail me. John, I've actually never read that one from Alexander Elder. I did read, however, the How to Day Trade. Wow, look at that. I don't believe it. It's definitely going to Wednesday's low of day. So 172.22. Is that it? That is dangerous, guys. This is insane. You got a flash on Wolf, flash at 221. Yeah, careful, because Wolf would be dependent on both BTC and Coin, or they're running in tandem to each other, right? So, or in sympathy to each other. There could still be some further retreat. I mean, the low of day from here on Wednesday 27th, that's 172.25. This thing just came down to 173.06. It's within $1 from there, so I don't know. Maybe this picks up. Maybe this picks up some more downside here at 175.70. Then it continues again, just like it did before. It just I can't tell if this is just a massive ladder, you know. So damn, you sold at $2.58 and those puts are $8.90 now. Chakra, I've been hearing about that too, brother. I've been hearing about COSM making the upside. They breached their contract with me, so I'm not gonna cover it. That is massive. So Bob, John. So I didn't read. I know I've heard of the Alexander Elder book for sure. I didn't get around to read it, so it's because I got distracted by how to day trade for a living from Andrew Aziz, and I read his How to Day Trade for a Living, Advanced Techniques in Day Trading, Advanced Techniques for Swing Trading, and How to Swing Trade for a Living. And I also read Introduction to Psychology with Andrew Aziz, and I forgot who the other person was, but he was a I think he may have been a credible psychologist and is military as well. So this is what I meant here, getting that resistance from that 175.70 to reload more downside here. Not sure if it's going to catch that 172.22, but it feels like it. So those are the books that I ended up reading, and then I read a couple other psychology books too, like I think what was Mark Douglas's one? I think it was trading in the zone. And then Mike Billafury's the playbook, and that I do recommend. I recommend Mike Billafury's The Playbook for sure. Not a psychology book, just an overall trading book. It's focused. It's centered around the entire trade. It did fill a gap for the time for the calls, Off-Grid Gorilla. You're thinking? It filled the gap in the hourly, both the hourly gaps. So are you looking at the daily gap? Yeah, I see it. I totally see it. The 174.72. 174.72. Yeah, man. It totally nailed it. Enter anywhere around here with any. Let's see. $20 minutes and 45 seconds. Ticker symbol ANY. Potential bearish engulfing here. This is signaling the potential. This is signaling a potential drop here, a pretty significant drop, even still. So any may actually come back to. I don't know if it can do it, but it's signaling here the potential of failure from that 329. So let me see its 5-minute time frame as well. I want to know if it's breaking below the EMAs. Oh, it totally is. It's about the close of what is it? 8 seconds to close beneath the SMA 100 again, and a prior bar break, and also the break of the range. Oh my goodness, bro, this thing is feeling like it's gonna drop again. Oh my goodness. I'm not even sure what this what's the ATR on an asset like this. It's really cheap. It's dangerous. Let me see the daily time frame ATR on this. It's 58 cents. You could, it's increasing right now, but I honestly like to trade $2 or more. And honestly, I really like $4 or $5, and that's AMD-ish. That's around the AMD realm. But yeah, you're right. This could potentially come right back down to that 320 to support right at the top of that daily gap. Trade Your Way to Financial Freedom by Van Tharp. I'm going to write that down. Let's see. I'm going to type it in here. By, who was it again? AMD's falling? Yeah, but damn it. There's so many plays. Oh, Chad Vivian, did you end up reading it? That's awesome. Yeah, man, a pretty pricey book. It's a pretty pricey book, but it's because of, yeah, so this is what I meant right here. Look at this. There's the break of the prior bar. I think this has a clean shot to 321. And Yabu, how you doing, brother? Yeah, John. Oh, I see. They're both great books. Okay, and sorry, I'm missing it here. Van Tharp. There we go. So no, what I was saying, Spy's Falling too. Yeah, so this is something that I kind of anticipated. The S&P 500 E-mini futures contracts were not looking good, and the SPY feels like it has more to go. Careful, because you're reaching supports here, so don't just blindly enter, right? Because you're at 17 minutes to close this hourly, and it's already breaking below the the regression line here. So now, Yabu, did you send me an email, brother? Of course, I can go ahead and forward you the information to get your seat for the 16-week mentorship program. I replied to you. Oh yeah, I replied to you. Check that out. I'm not sure if you ended up getting it. Yeah, so this is the support that I'm talking about, Teen. I'm not sure if it's gonna catch the support here. Watch this one, that one. So I'm not sure if it's gonna catch this support, right? But this was the zone 475.90 to 475.59, right in here. I'm not sure if it's gonna use this support to maybe bounce from this area into the resistance level of the LRC at 476.32. Can't tell, right? But it's feeling mighty weak. Oh, you got the email address? Okay, good, Yabu. So please, Yabu, as soon as you do send over the course fee, let me know, and I'll make sure to oh, I see it. Okay, gotcha. Let me go ahead and now confirm you for the hold on just a second. I'm gonna add you to the labels here. Expect your welcome package to come in next week, and that's gonna give you the link to the private Discord and the whole thing. And that's gonna be, you are officially a track 4 master student, my brother. Thank you so much. You are in. Let me I need to put a label on that. Sorry, team, just a sec. I wasn't looking at the chat. Just a moment. Let me change the label. You are track 4. Welcome, my brother. Thank you so much. Powder Slave, what's up, buddy? No, you did? So this is the support team. Check it out. This is what I meant, to see if we could retrace back here. I'm not sure if we can retrace all the way up, but you know, that's why I told you not to FOMO in, right? Because there is a critical support here. So eyeballs on this support here, okay? Eyeballs on that. And sorry, somebody mentioned PCSA. I do recall something, guys. This is what I was doing. We are lingering at the take profit still of the inverse head and shoulders, right? That's the take profit was 34.19. Hold on. Let me go. Guys, have you checked in Twitter? Let's go to. I need to go to Twitter. Let's see if anything's going on. Just a moment, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, that's crazy. Hold on. No way. Danielle. 93, what's up, buddy? Yeah, the whole world is falling off a cliff right now. Look at Meta. Oh my goodness. That is insane. Hold on, team. I'm actually looking. I'm scouring the internet right now. I want to know what's going on. Oh my goodness. That is nasty. Damn it. Still looking, team. Just a moment. $140% on Amazon. I'm dancing right now. Oh my goodness, brother. Chad Vivian, you killed the spy puts? Dude, that is massive. Oh my goodness, bro. I had no idea it was going to surpass that entire support. Oh my goodness, look at that. Still 9 minutes to go, too. Why do I feel like this bloodshed is not done? That is nasty, team. That is crazy. It looks like it's going to be Spy. It looks like the Spy is the next one again. Seriously, Ian, no joke. %90 scalp in about 2 minutes. Bro. And I still think it could reach to 474.89. I see something going on, team, on the scouring of the internet. PCSA apparently has, and it's not effective yet. There's no way I could have told that was going to happen. It looks like they're releasing an S1. And investors do not like it, but it's not effective yet. No way. That is the reason. It's at the official take profit though of 34.19. It's there. Literally this one here. That is nasty, man. Here's the break of the prior bar low. Are you kidding? There it goes again. No way. Holy crap. That feels like it's dropping to, oh my goodness, it may have room for 353.13. Oh my goodness. Guys, we are nailing it today. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it's doing it again. Still on a nosedive. Wow. Ah, damn. Watch this hourly closer here, team. 3 minutes and 6 seconds left to close. Nice. 93. Nice. That's crazy, man. Hold on, guys. Let me see. Mark Roach, thank you, buddy. Okay. Oh, Danielle, yeah. Not a problem. Okay. So the regression line 325 to 319. What I'm most afraid of here is so there could be a bounce. We're at support right now, right? So there could be a bounce in here, but we would have to watch out with that retracement back up to the area of 350. That's going to be the next zone to combat here, and the range, the focused range. $350 to $355. You know what this is making me feel like, you guys? This is making me feel like they're trying to close the month at a lower valuation. So price suppression is happening. I'm curious over that being the potential here. Small bounce starting to happen there. Good idea. Let's catch it. Let's see. So, sorry guys, just a sec. Here's that bounce. Here's the hourly. It closed inside of the channel. I'm curious over what's going to happen here. Hold on. Let me see the 5. Yeah, 5-minute manipulation already. It just closed. No way. 4-minute present. Why am I not surprised to see this? Look at this, 2 strikes of manipulation here on the buy minute, both of which are followed by downsides. Freaking twin strikes here. One minute strike. Huge downside after that, blood diamond. Look at that. This is getting dragged all over the ground. This is like, it's just getting manipulated. Damn. And I mean, look at this. We have had very little manipulation throughout the times here. There's another strike here. There's another strike here. But look at all the strikes that are happening right now. I mean, this is how the hell is this getting triggered like this? Is it becoming a meme now or what? This didn't have that kind of attention. This did not have this kind of attention. That is crazy. Origin, damn it. Jeez, I can't believe what I'm watching here. Let me see the 10-minute. Damn, look at the 10-minute. The strike went off. It's still on that candle too. Let's go to the 15-minute. Damn, would they be so bold? Okay. So all the way, yeah, the 5 and 10 minutes have 2 strikes. Incredible, man. Mark, yeah, buddy. That is nasty. So negative catalyst on PCSA, manipulation of the yin yang on LQR. This is really making me feel that a lot of the small caps are really trying to avoid having a higher valuation close for the month for the books. I think they're cooking. Mike J, congratulations, my brother. Damn, that is a huge play. Damn, Meta taking it. Spy starting to drop again too. Guys, I'm not gonna lie for 1 second. I'm kind of disappointed here on the price action, man. I can't believe they would do that, man. Wolf is on a bearish engulfing too. Oh my goodness. So sorry, what I meant, guys, yeah. Just a moment, team. Sorry guys, hold on. I'm doing research here, and I'm also trying to chart. Just a moment. Like I'm really upset, over what's happening here with price action. I can't believe it. Okay, so Mark Roach, Gorilla, because of what I read for look at PCSA, bro. I just released a freaking video yesterday. We were at support, and this thing is dropping to these levels. Like, dude, this is not cool. Like, this is, and they are releasing a Form S1. It's not in effect. But it's also a bunch of crap. Dude. And so now that there's no way I could have seen this. I would have warned the freaking community about that. So that makes me upset, brother. It's and then no, both LQR and PCSA, bro. And then LQR is just getting mangled with manipulation right now. All right, I just sorry, team. I hold on. I forgot that I entered a meta put. Damn. Can't believe I actually did it. All right, a closed position. And that makes me feel like crap, man. Yeah, sorry team. I'm feeling the way that I'm feeling, and I just closed this. I did a block of 8 puts. I bought them at 30, 40, whatever, all there. Just closed them near 70. Oh my goodness, dude. But that seriously, that moment is ruined by what I'm looking at here from my analysis threads. Alex, no way. You say on the 12-hour or 12-hour? I am on the 12-hour. That's well, the stupid candle that we're on right now, brother. This one here, that'll invalidate it. I know, 93. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Jeff Nielsen, I like to focus on the hourly time frame, LINREG, as it is a general rule of thumb on the hourly, but it really works on every time frame. And a good person to ask would be I'm sorry, Off-Grid Gorilla. He practices it in the 5, 10, 15 minutes too. Origin saying, dirty deeds, my bro. Definitely not on you. I agree with the team. Thank you guys. I really appreciate that, team. It's like, man, we've had such an amazing day of trading here, and then just and you know, man. I don't wish this upon anyone. It's like any freaking little thing that like happens, like I have to like answer for it. You know what I mean? And what do I mean by that? It's just like it's like this fucking Joker here. Look at this moron. Oh, calling me Jim Cramer because I put out the freaking video yesterday. How was I supposed to know that the damn ass one was gonna come out? My goodness, dude. People could really be like that. People could seriously be like that. Like they'll haunt you for any little freaking mistake you do. Double X, I feel you, bro. I completely, like, I'm killing myself just looking at this. Serious, Chad. I'm trying to get him out, brother. Wall Street Ponzi just said, you don't have to answer for it. You are still covering it against your better judgment. My brother. Thank you, bro. It's just, dude, like, it's damaging, you know? It's really annoying. And it's super upsetting that someone feels like I would do that on purpose. Like, on purpose, man. $93, you shouldn't have gotten out. Oh my goodness. Mr. Wells, I know. You know what? Somebody was just talking to me about that on a DM. It's funny that you're mentioning it too. Dude. Like a million on a borrow. Like that's, if that doesn't scream predatory, like I don't know what the hell else would. Oh, damn. Dude, I think you're already at take profit on this. Right, this is the take profit. Careful. 150, 156 is the complete invalidation area. Danielle, you asked earlier too, and I'm so sorry. Damn, I got thrown out. Like my entire psyche got thrown off here. My psychology just, it flipped. I like am not sharp anymore because of everything that just happened. I'm so sorry. I know that you could have banked out on this one. Damn. It's like the complete invalidation here is 150, 156. I can't guarantee that it'll meaning that this is the ultimate take profit here for this big enormous upside, right? Remember, right? We've learned here that I don't know if I taught you guys just this yet, right? But you run to the upside here on a massive run, you capitulate and you create that macro bottom. That is your inflection zone, right? So then when you move forward and you start reaching a week, this can work as a macro double bottom, right? So that can be dangerous for a short position. I know, Danielle. It's just when it comes to like multitudes of people losing money all at once because of something that you could have potentially said, you know, like that you know, that sucks. And then you start to see the social threads and people blaming you and stuff like that. Kind of that, you know. I don't know. I'm trying to blind myself from things like that, but at some point it hurts, you know. At some point it really sucks. Dea saying we have a saying in Arabic that translates, a tall fruit tree will get stones thrown at it, trying to get fruit from it. So don't let it bother you. You are the tree, and you bear a lot of fruits. My brother, that's very kind of you. Thank you. Let's find out on the next one. Yes, I agree, brother. I agree. So yeah, this is what this. I don't know that it will fail that, Danielle. That's a macro bottom, right? So that's or from the high, right? That's your biggest demand. So I would be completely irresponsible by saying puts here, as it would be a complete gamble of failure or succession here. But it's trying to reach that level. It's trying to catch that 150, 156. Wolf just double bought. Damn, Mark, you too, bro. I totally missed on looking at the damn ticker for you. Did I even look at it? Damn, bro, I just dropped the ball on everyone. Can you tell I got affected by that? Wow. Ian Tucker, my dude, you ain't here for them. They don't give a damn. You're here for those who want to learn. I really am, brother. I'm trying, man. I'm trying my best. Here's that macro double bottom. 151, 56. It's at 57. John is saying, Arca, not all trades will be winning trades. It's how you manage the trades that counts. Letting your profits run and cutting your losses short and proper position sizing. I completely agree with you, brother. I do. I don't want to do it directly from me, Origin. I wouldn't mind for you guys to do it, but I don't want to do it directly from my account because I would risk getting banned. So I don't want to push the envelope there because I feel like I could be of better use to you if I don't call out manipulation like that. I'll say it, in videos and stuff, but when I put it as like a blatant post, that puts me in danger. And then, I would have to start all over again. I know that you guys would be there for me too. I know that I would get the followers, back little by little, but if I can help maintaining it, then I would just rely on the community to be my voice. Nyril, what's up? Come on, Arca, get yourself together, bro. Gotta take punches in order to learn to avoid them. All the psychology in the books you have read can't prepare you for this, but don't let it get you down, my brother. You're right, dude. You're right. It upsets me not because I was wrong. It upsets me because there's a potential risk that somebody may or may not have opened up on my word, and then that because I'm afraid of what people will do with their money, and I can't control that. I'm afraid that people will bet their freaking pensions. They'll bet their kids' college tuitions. Like I don't like to hear that. I often say not to over leverage, only risk what you're willing to lose. It just things like that, but I can't like guarantee that, I can only say it so much, but at the end of the day, if you don't, then dude. So, Danielle Spears saying you're like a celebrity, Arca. You have to, give up looking at any social media about yourself. Haters going to hate whether you read it or not. That's the damn truth. And you know who you are, as do we. That's very kind of you. Danielle. A lot of people made money today and other days. It totally outweighs a few downsides. I agree. So Kitties Never Die saying none of those people can do their own TA. They follow and copy someone and then complain. And then complain when things don't work out. They don't do the opposite when they're in the money. That's true. Katie Cat, you are amazing. Mark Roach saying no, but you can't. But can you char wolf when you have time? Yes, brother. Sean, oh my bro, good to see you here, dude. It's been a while, man. I hope everything's okay. I hope the family's okay. Saying yo, homie, happy holidays and happy New Year. I bought GTI back at 45. Should I dump it or hold it? Dude, 45, the inflection was broken at 43, right? So there's a huge thesis that I have here, man, based around a very low target, of which I freaking got super pissed last night. I told Frank and whoever else, I went pro plus on some people yesterday, man. So I honestly, brother, you're at inflection now. This looks like a dead cat bounce. It feels like the nearest target here would be around 35. I spoke about a 35-cent target around a week or two ago. The 35-cent target is a retracement back up to the 39 to 43.02 for resistance validation, and then a continuation to the downside into the 29-cent realm. I don't like what's happening here, brother. I don't. I have to be completely honest with you, and I hate to say that I would rather take. We're talking about paper trades. I would rather you take that loss. But then again, it's just, this thing is so damn unpredictable, you know. Danielle, yeah, that day is approaching, and I really wanted it to be at the beginning of the year, but I really haven't spoken to anyone about this, but I am seriously considering an institutional position that it's been offered to me like 2 weeks ago. And it's not like it's not like Arca. You're gonna be on the trading floor. You're going to be one of the quants on the trading floor as a desk trader. Like, not like that. Like the head of the trading floor type of thing. You know. So and the institution does they do speak small cap. So the plans are kind of twirling around right now as this thing has been presented, and it could really I don't know though, and I'm kind of far away from even starting. It's not like an immediate thing, you know, but like whatsoever, it would be at least a couple months out. And Nvidia just dumping. Sean, I'm so sorry to be the bearer of bad news, brother. I really don't want to be. Double X is saying, dude, I love you too, buddy. I love you too, Sean. And Katie Cat, I'm happy you agree like that. And Wall Street Ponzi, I know, dude. You are preaching it, man. So many people have told me that I can't be responsible for responsibility. It's completely true. But Double X just said, I know Wall Street guys from the 80s, been in the biz for years, actually tell me there's no manipulation and counterfeits. I tell them they could get smashed, but then I laughed. Well, it's just in a quantitative world, in a digital world, you could. It's a little different than deep pocket, right? Because in the 80s, in the 90s, your manipulation was your deep pocket, your margin requirement, right? You can use a heavy margin to block trade, dark pool trade, complete shifts of blocks, and you can alter the price, the standing price in the lit exchange in exchange for a back end trade. You know, there's several ways. There's several ways that you can do this. And so if you take a position at an institution, you'll stop live streaming and your girl will cry, but I'll be happy for you. No, Danielle, I'm actually about to introduce, I don't know if I'm gonna continue live trading publicly. I'm gonna continue live trading in Discord and close it. I'm gonna close Discord and do what we just did today every day. So I'm gonna monetize the Discord. I'm gonna filter out all of the shill, all of the people that are monitoring my every single move. I'm gonna close house, and I'm gonna bring in only the people who are true Arca Bull members. Bob, thank you guys. 93. Yes, my public Discord is gonna be completely private, and it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen in the start of this year. I mentioned it a couple times in a couple videos. I've been releasing them late, and I know that I have a lot of East Coasters here, so it's a little tough to catch them. I appreciate you guys so much, but yeah, I'm gonna close it out. I'm gonna close it out, and I'm gonna completely flip the structure of the Discord. I'm going to give away like a lot of my scripts, not the premium ones like that you're getting with the channels and stuff, but a lot of the ones that I typically use, like for example this one here. This is the Arc div. This is the div 1, right? Divergence identifier for RSI. The adjusted BBWP volatility on linear. I'm also working on another one as we speak, actually, and I hope I didn't close it out, damn it. But it's let me see here. I can do it on, yeah, this here. This is my newest creation, and let me just go to like PCSA or where, I don't know where I was. Okay, yeah, so let me close this out. And this is something that I'm going to be presenting to that Discord. This here. So what I am doing here is a cross breed between stochastic momentum and BBWP, volatility in linear and directional. So when volatility expands, it'll also tell you what direction it's expanding in, downside or upside. Right? So you know, you're getting times to where it expands here and you're getting downside. Right? So a directional volatility indicator is I've been coding it for hours and hours and hours, and I'm still not done. But this is the next one. And so a lot of I have other strategies too. I have triple moving average crossover strategies that give you I'm going to release a lot of things into that Discord, educational content, videos, all kinds of crap. I'm going to live in Discord. I'm not going to be out here as much anymore. OGG and Ponzi going to have to take over this channel. No, this is where I would promote it, right? I still would have to come on to the YouTube live at least once, maybe a week, right? At least once. But my primary area is going to be Discord. I'm going to live there with the members. Thank you, kiddies. I appreciate you. Bob, you know what? I spoke in the, because, you know, those guys are in the moderators section. I spoke to them earlier and no one has replied. I wonder if, I wonder if everything's okay. Destiny, good morning to you. Good to see you. Ian Tucker, I love you, dude. Yeah, the morning completely flew. Oh my goodness. Ah, man. Okay, so let me look at Wolf for Mark Roach. Could this be? Wow. Let me find out what the deal is here. I'm gonna move down to the 4-hour time frame. Mark Roach, I got you, buddy. Danielle, I think, I'm not gonna lie, I think I may be out. I feel like we're just gonna ruin ourselves if we continue. I mean, today was the bloodiest day of the damn month. It was crazy. SPY still looking weak. Oh, damn. Oh my goodness. All right. Wow. Anyway, 4-hour time frame momentum, complete nosedive here. 25 minutes. Check this out, Mark Roach. 25 minutes to close beneath the mid band here of the LRC. Like this, yeah, like the LRC. I'm gonna develop it completely. I'm just gonna give it away in the Discord for when that becomes private. This has a good chance to close beneath there, brother. If this does close beneath the 249, your next target here would be around 231. Okay, now let's go into the hourly time frame. Sorry, I'm thinking. Yeah, you know what? There could be a short-term upside. It's very short-term. It's in the gravitational zone here, so definitely a lot of pressure on the RSI, right? But if it does combat this gravitational zone, it could still move up to the opposing gravitation, and that would be equivalent to 261. And then the hourly time frame would close beneath the 261, which would then introduce a downside and cascade into the 4-hour, failing the 249. 221 flash there. That would be just about this 225 here is Wednesday lows. It almost feels like it's getting front run for a continuation to the downside too. You got it, Mark. No problem, brother. Sorry, what the heck was that noise? Hold on. Let me check on my little guy. I hope he's not awake. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you know that guy's more volatile than the SPY today. No, he's asleep. He's good. He's big chilling. Okay. Yeah, that gravitation is very strong here in the hourly time frame. Let's see 30-minute. Oh, I see why. This is a temporary. It's trying to recover temporary, but this is also a bearish pennant building here, and it looks like on the 15-minute time frame you may be able to see it. If the next 15-minute candle closes at 235, this is starting to look like a reversal. Okay, so if it does, eyeballs on this, Mark. If this thing closes something along the lines of this here, I'm not sure, but this would be a reversal signal for the immediate short term. Topside targets for this would be around 270, and that would be prior day lows, resistance, and that'll likely lead to a further downside. Oh, nice, Mark. Okay, so yeah, that's going to be a critical close there. Let me go into the bi-hourly time frame. Bi-hourly on a nosedive at gravitation on the RSI. DMI plus completely under DMI minus with a 32% on a bi-hourly ADX. That is a strong downtrend. 4-hour time frame ADX sitting at 42% with DMI minus succeeding the DMI plus. This is likely going to continue, bro. Oh my goodness. DMI minus is on its way to combat the DMI plus on an 8-hour 56% read of ADX. That is super strong. This is a real nosedive here, and there's an absolute breather, a correction happening. I can see this asset reaching down maybe into Tuesday. I would say down to the areas of about 226 to 215 before any types of recovery. Eyeballs on those targets, Mark Roach. Oh my goodness, look at Amazon. It just completely blew through inflection. Guys, Amazon may continue here. It may continue to 150.54. That is nasty. This is one major correction. Wow. That is insane. Tesla. Tesla is blowing, man, it's supporting at the top range of the invalidation zone. Okay, so this is getting dangerous here too. This is invalidation here, 247.23 to 246.42. Breaking any type of closure. I'm saying it really, any type of closure, like a 5-minute, 15, 30-minute closure beneath 246.42. That's going to start introducing another 2 to 3 points down. 245 to 244.17, right around there. This is getting super shaky. Very dangerous here. And be careful here because 246.79 is an area where price action can bounce from. You're trying to get kitties, you're trying to get long 21 cents. Wow. I don't even know how to read the options on Amazon. Like the 150 put is at like $9, right? And the 152.50 puts are at $135. That is so freaking weird. But the rate of change on the 152.50s are massive. And let me see Teslas. Those also have like crazy volatility. Wow. $94 for 247.50s. And they're $223 for the 250s that are in the money. Puts. Brother, that's amazing. People's J. You sold your 152.50 puts at like 152.70 for 128? Damn. That's freaking wild. Yeah, the Tesla options contracts are so wild right now. Here, look, I can show you. This is the chart. This is the chart for the. Which ones am I looking at here? Tesla 1 minute. Let's look at. Hold on. Yeah, let's look at these. These are going to be the these are the 250 puts. They're at $216, and this is the chart. This is the chart for those for the 250 puts. Wow. Yeah, I guess they could still drop a little more here. Maybe into 190, maybe. But 190, that would be. No, maybe to, yeah, maybe to 200, maybe to right at around 200. Around that SMA 100 here on a 1 minute. So let me look at this on a 5 minute. And it's about to find support at that SMA 50 at 201. Right, yeah, so they're dropping into that. This is what I talked about here. Dropping them into the $200 zone, maybe 190. But I don't know that it can reach 150 though. That's a little too low. DJ, my brother, what's up with you, man? Good to see you. Have you been listening this whole time, or you just got in right now? I hope you played it with us, man. I hope you played all the plays with us. Dude, like there's people in here with like 400% up. I'm like 200% up. There's others with it 80 to 100%. Like everybody's ridiculous right now. Okay, yeah, those options contracts are diving into the 190 zone. As the price action increases here, that valuation drops. It's good to see you, DJ. Hope everything's okay with you, brother. And we are just about 13 minutes to launch NYSE. Those puts have now dropped out of the money. No, not out of the money just yet. And they're at 183 now. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy. I think I honestly think that Tesla's probably reloading again. I don't know. It feels like, I mean, there are other assets that have made it below their inflection, and seeing the SPY, it feels like it's just loading up again to come back down. I can't believe what I'm. But remember, team, remember what happens with the algos. They shift completely after lunch. People's J, right? The only thing that's preventing me from that is thinking that the shift could lead things to the upside again. Oh my goodness. Guys, let me turn off that damn heater. My phone is failing again. Hold on. Back, you guys. So, batter, you're, there's no Santa Claus rally this year, brother. So I think, I honestly think that could have been, already had, right? So if we're looking at the SPY here, and we block out, the indicators. I'll show you where it kind of was, right? I mean, it really was. there was a Santa Claus rally. So starting here, December, right? We opened at 455.81, and we have seen nothing but upside on the SPY until today. And today is the last trading day of the year, right? Today marks off the 250th day of trading, or 252nd day of trading, depends on the year, right? But yeah, that, I mean, I guess it was, it's just, it wasn't market wide, but there are a lot of assets that did kind of run on that, right? DJ, my bro, I'm stoked, bro. I'm stoked that you're still here. I hope that you were able to get in some of those plays with us, brother. Right? Because me personally, I think I'm so I don't know if you guys remember, right, that I ended up liquidating my account to, remember, I trade $500, I turn it into hopefully $2,000 or $3,000, and then I bring it back to $500, hopefully in the span of 2 weeks, right? So I do that all the time because this is part of my job, right? So that I can live, so it's kind of like having like a $36 an hour job or $37 an hour job, right? So as far as the trading side is concerned, only the trading, right? So I brought my account down back to what I call null, right? So it's in fact, I actually brought it down a little lower than I thought. So I brought it back down to $366 into like last week, whenever I told you that I took the money out. So $366, I was like, oh man, I went a little bit lower than I thought, right? So from that 366, it was kind of a crappy, I didn't have that great of trades because of the market being weird, right? So I ended up, turning those 366 into $463, right? So here's the 463 as of yesterday, right? So now today, out of these $400, I made $320. So tomorrow, on Tuesday, the account should be back to around $800, right? So and then I'll liquidate again, right? So it's what I made today was kind of a lot, right? When you see the size of the account in comparison to the realized, out of $400 you make $320. That's not bad, bro. So I do this over the span of about a week and a half, or hopefully 2 weeks, and then I just bring it out, right? I just bring that money out and then start all over again. And I promise you, team, that doing that has been such a nice way to train, right? It's the best way for me to train in and out of the markets, because then that way I'm just and it's because I need to do it, right? But eventually I'm going to trade a bigger bankroll. You remember, team, I've only been trading for the better part of just over 2 years, and I feel like I've gained enough exposure and experience to the markets to where I can really leverage higher entries now, right? So I think this might be introduced into the coming year. So I think I may start introducing executions of 4 figures instead of executing 3 figures, right? And then I'm going to continue growing that, and hopefully a few months in, maybe 3 to 5 months in, I'll just let the account grow instead of pulling it out. And then I hope to be trading 5-figure entries by maybe June or July of next year. You know what I mean, team? So I want to be as transparent as I can be with you. I'm giving you my trading journey here, right? So you're really catching it from mini Arca, right? And then Arca will grow and grow and grow and grow, and you'll also be a part of it with me. Danielle, I love it so much. And I honestly think I could probably load the account with, to the point to where I can trigger the 4-figure entry, but that's not the point. The point really is to grow it. And I'm working at it. It's just I feel like the moment I get that taste of real win, like big money win, I'm gonna feed that need instead of trusting the process. And I know myself, so I know that I'll like to see the win. I would want to see the bigger print and the bigger dollar value, so I purposely keep away. And that's because I greatly respect the process a lot more than I do the money gain. It's just a plus. It's a cherry on top that we're able to extract and siphon money from the financial markets. It really is just a cherry on top. The true satisfaction, for me at least, it really comes in with making the play consistent and the plays, sorry, like, executing the plays with consistency and managing risk, playing it right, just playing it right. You know what I mean? Hey, Susan, good to see you here. Batter saying, Arca, I get it. Just should have bought SPY all day, every day the past month. Batter, I know, dude, I know. Bro, why do you think? Why do you think I traded the SPY so much this month? That's because it's in play. Right, so November and October, those were the semiconductor plays. I don't know if you remember, but we were trading a great deal of AMD, Nvidia, and SOXS. So when that, and it's not to say that it's not in play anymore. It's just to say that the broader market, that the SPY was hella in play, right? So I pulled out from trading the semiconductors to go into the broader markets because of the ES futures contracts, the E-mini futures, because they were showing huge promise, right? I spoke about this in the beginning of the November, saying that we're gonna hit some huge targets on the SPX and also the ES. And so I try to merge and try to kind of move or migrate wherever volatility really is, right? So that I can also display to my master students and to everyone in here how we can maneuver through the sectors of the market when they're in play, right? Because there's always an inverse to something. There's always a stock in play. There's always a sector in play. And there's always a narrative. So if one pops off, that it's going to cascade into the others in a slower delay. And I like to move through the markets in that fashion, which is what defines a short-term trader. The Wall Street Ponzi, did you really? Dude, that's insane, bro. You took the 8K account into 7 figures. Oh my goodness. Dude, that is massive. Ian Tucker, I'll be starting with $300 on Webull for next year. Ian Tucker, that's great. That's great, brother. And it doesn't matter if it's like not what you... It doesn't matter if that's what you're worth or whatever, right? What matters is that you can show consistency in trading a block that you're comfortable with losing. Right, and then you off grid. You send me a pic, and then you tinker the system and you tweak the little knobs here and there, make adjustments per play. It's not always going to be the same. It's never going to be the same. Every different day is a different character. right? And also just I know that you guys know what I mean by that. Hold on, team. Yeah. So I'm just saying that you tinker with that system until you really have it done tight and right, and it works for you, right? And when you have that, then you start to size up, right? So it matters. It really matters how you execute, how you trade, and especially how you look at it. Brother, what the heck is going on with my text messages? I already have this paired, brother. Oh, gotcha. It's that, man. I feel like bad that I didn't actually. It was today. Today was really about the process, brother, and I see what you mean. Off-Grid Gorilla is showing me right now how the. Is that the NAS you're looking at? Because it's very similar to the SPY. So this is, oh guys, if you're gonna, I'm sorry, I just never shilled this at all. It's just, I guess this today would be the last trading day that I would be offering the Arcables, the ABT channels, right? These are the momentum channels with the buy and sell signals, right? So this thing called the top 476.72, and it still has not triggered a buy. This thing is sell, right? So man, that is massive. 476 to 473.77 and still no buy signal. So I guess I'm just gonna shill it right now for the last time, team. This is gonna be the last time that I offer this at that crazy discounted rate, only for the live. Remember that I never displayed this on video. I never displayed it to anyone else other than you guys. And so, like I said, I'm going to be promoting this then officially into next week. So, arcabulls@gmail. And, dude, that's crazy. Off-Grid Gorilla. Nasty, brother. So, it called the gap to perfection on coin? No way. What was the daily gap again? I forgot. Let me see the gap. That was on the, I remember I said the target earlier, but I forgot the, this. It was around 176.27 to 174.30. Is that the gap or no? Am I missing it? No, yeah, that is the gap, right? Yeah, this here. So 174.34 could have been the low. And let's go back to the and then also, what time frame did you look at it under? Damn, dude. So 10-minute and 5-minute and the 15-minute called it. Holy crap. Guys, look at that. I didn't expect this thing to perform that well. But yes, it did say to short here at 187.38, pretty much the top. And it still hasn't given you a buy signal. You could have literally just covered position anywhere here. Oh, in the text. Brother, I didn't know that there was a text chain. Oh, wait. No, I only have 2 responds. I only have 2 messages from you, brother. Yeah, this is nasty. And everything is just so deep red and deep green. It's just volatility maxed out. 230. It hit it, brother? Interesting. Failure of the triangle, brother. But now that makes me feel a certain way though, because we would need to get a closure 2 minutes and 56 seconds for this to close, and it's starting to look, I don't know if it's gonna do something else now. Because what if it's this now? What if it's a falling wedge? What if it's actually trying to reverse? Or, retrace completely here? Because this would be a complete bullish signal. You know what I mean? And the RSI, check it out. It's combating the SMA 14. That off-grid gorilla, that's nasty, brother. Yeah, that's very cool. And sorry, you know which else we didn't look at it again? Damn, CAUD kind of just doing its thing there. Coin still falling. Let me see, LQR pissing me off. All right, at least it's coming back now. Damn, dude. That really sucked. Pissed me off. Yeah, let me look at Amazon. Wow, yeah, Amazon completely retraced from that point. What a crazy day, team. Damn. It's sitting above the written text. Let me hold on. I'm gonna share it. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna send the message in our discussion DM, and then I'm gonna be able to open it from Discord. Let me go to Discord now. Let me open the browser. So this is what Gorilla, can you you sent at 9:37 a.m. Let me see. Oh, your time. Let me see what that was. Yeah, so 8:37 a.m. my time. And this is what Off-Grid Gorilla just messaged me. So Off-Grid Gorilla is saying here on the text that he charted the gap fill last Friday with supports and resistances. And what he's pointing out here is actually he's actually pointing out the sell. And this was the gap here. And the second thing I would like to point out, I don't know if you pointed this out to me, that the color changed to a lighter red here, meaning that it started diminishing its power right in the gap, the daily gap. And this is part of the strategy that he executed, I guess, for the sell-off. Brother, incredible. That is a bank shot like no other. And Danielle Spears is saying that the Amazon ticker is still respecting its sell signal. The momentum channel's sell signal. It is completely respecting it. Despite the fact that you have some green momentum here, it's still the algorithm's still not letting go of a sell. And on the hourly time frame too. Wow. Hourly time frame sell signals still not giving away. In fact, the volatility bands, or sorry, the momentum bands are still pitched heavy red, and you can see that there was low momentum here. And then once it picked up, it really blood red here. It really went cherry red. Really ripped it. Incredible. Incredible. Thank you guys for sharing that. Danielle, Gorilla, thank you guys for sharing that. But yeah, team, so I'm gonna start promoting this in the videos, and it's gonna be sold at a normal price. But for you guys, remember, ArcaBulls at Gmail. And that's where you can find it. And yeah, very, very clean call, brother. So Cryptic Trader also did some blind trades on it with to lead to some success too. No way, ASRE not doing bad. This was something that Off Grid Gorilla pointed out yesterday. Yeah, no, not bad. Back up to 23 cents right now. At a certain point, it was at the top of the regression at 25.82. Yep. Yeah, breaking market structure here, going up to that 25.84. Yeah, that's it feels like it's going to start creating some higher highs, higher low structure. Hourly time frame RSI, it's in the gravitational zone, sure, but it's crossing above the SMA 14 with an upside pivot, and that matters. Katie Cat, did you purchase this and I didn't give it to you? And this feels like, oh man, I guess a really awkward inverse head and shoulders there. Katie Cat, you got all of them on already? Yeah, there could be a reversal signal here. So, Andy, yeah, that's what I was noticing earlier. So it's not effective. Katie Cat, but you did. I want to just make sure between me and you that you definitely got them, right? Yes. I remember that you paid like $4 something, and I returned the money. And because you're a master student, so I gave you the other ones too. Tell me, do you have the ARC RSI, ARC averages, the linear regression channel, and ARQ div 1? So off-grid PCSA, people do not understand the dynamic and overreact. Yes, Andy, I completely agree. And it looks like it may be trying to recover here. So I was wondering why there was a downside to it, and it wasn't even in effect. And what I mean, also, Andy, remember that people tend to overreact to based on a positive earnings beat. You know, you'll get an earnings beat and then you get shorted the freaking to hell. So there's a complete inverse narrative to the release of economic data or fundamental data now. So there, it's just it's all trickery. It definitely not as it used to be. Interesting stuff. Yeah, okay, let's see. LRC, Golden Death, Long John Silver. Katie Cat, put your username here for me, please. You're supposed to have Arcable's LRC. You're supposed to have Arc averages, RSI. Those be fine. Yes, they are, man. They are. You got averages and Arc relative strength index. Okay, you got the LRC as well. Okay, good. And averages. I want to know that you have averages. You need that.
Man, we got 64.
SPY 5-minute bullish engulfing. Man, and Amazon is still failing there. The ABT, Arca Bulls Trading. Katie Cat, you don't to which one? Post your use or if you don't feel safe posting it here, just you can put it up on the email and let me know when it's there. It's okay. Okay, got it. Perfect. It doesn't matter. You'll be good. Let me give you this. Okay, and you got it, Katie Cat. No problem. Let me see this here. Okay. Oh, good. And I'm just gonna double check that you have averages. I just enabled another 2. That's interesting. I could have sworn I already did all this. I had already done all this. Averages is something that you need. Oh, Katie Cat, are you part of track 4 or track 3? Oh, that's okay. Right, that's why I didn't give you the access to those. Right, you're front running it right now, also because you're experiencing the purchase. Yeah, so the basic indicators I just gave you access to. Okay, so check out. Well, hold on, let me just make sure that you absolutely have it all here. Okay, refresh your trading view. Close it out and put it and then start all over again. Damn, look at the SPY. What the hell? It's still going. Oh my goodness. That's insane, man. Megapath? No, MEGL, brother. What? That ticker is dangerous. Neo. Let's see. Neo could actually be another short play. This has validation underneath the hourly time frame LRC. We still have a little bit of a pivot towards the upside, but not really believable. Let me see the 4-hour time frame on this. Yeah, 4-hour time frame completely starting to show its failure here. DMI minus is taking over. This is getting close. The RSI is getting close to the gravitational zone here. This is likely going to continue to the downside here, and it looks like it's about to start testing the bottom side of 896 to 895. Closing the hourly. Let me see the hourly. Sorry, that's back to the 5-minute here. And then let me go to the hourly. Yeah, closing the hourly candle beneath 912. It's going to introduce a further capitulation here because this is no way a strong enough hammer candle for a reversal. Katie Cat, you got him? Good. So, yeah, brother, those are the conditions here. Wait the 31 minutes. But when this closes, when this, if this isn't lower than where it is now, meaning that if the price action at the close of this hourly is beyond 901, it could continue to the downside without having to test the top side again. But if price action closes above this wick, which is 906, so meaning 907, if it closes around there, then the price action might as well go up, test 913, and then short. Oh, okay, brother. Yeah, take your profits. Be careful. Super careful. Damn it, man. And yeah, you were already all the way up here. I see what you mean, but I'm so happy that you are taking action against that. How low they're gonna dump this market today? Damn, I know, brother. That's really something else, man. I can't believe how hard it's done. Oh, look at the DXY. Look at that. Look at the Dixie recovering here. Weekly time frame, over in 6 hours and 30 minutes. This had a low of $100 with 63 cents, and it has recovered now. Yeah, it's going for a full point. You're very welcome, brother. You're welcome. And SMFL. Okay, yeah, SMFL, although it does look like a bullish pennant, there are conditions here, right? The condition would be the closure. This may be a liquidity trap. It may be, okay? So remember that you have a 72% hit rate, 70 to 72% hit rate for the linear regression channels. Meaning that if you close beneath the mid band here, you have 72% chances that this can drop. 28% chance that you can lift. And trust me when I say that, sometimes that feels like a 50-50, man. But yeah, you're getting a signal here to long, and you're getting a signal to long at resistance. So this could be a liquidity trap. So if you do close beneath 173, expect an upside to 173 and be very hesitant over that 173 break, because it may not actually get it. And look at this. Today's high is 174. That's another potential trap. Market profit taking on this record run up. That's right, Jersey. Yeah, Danielle, that's exactly what Andy Nguyen said just a little bit earlier ago, that people are overreacting and they don't understand the market dynamic. That's exactly what he said too. That it's not even in effect. It's just a safeguard. Mark Roach, love you, buddy. Be safe. Happy New Year to you. We'll talk soon. Okay. All right, team. You know what? I'm gonna sign out here, team, because I have a lot of things to prepare. I appreciate everybody for coming on by. Definitely love that we got some great opportunities today to trade. Please keep in touch with me if you have any questions at all, team. But I really, really, really appreciate everybody for coming on by. Happy New Year to everyone. Happy Friday to everyone. And I will catch you later. Jeff Nielsen, I'll owe you one, brother. Offer Gorilla, Katie Cat. Let's make it, Katie Cat. We could. DJ, appreciate you, my bro. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to everyone. Kitty's Brad H. Thank you so much, my brother. You too. Mark Roach. Powder Slave, you got it, man. Happy New Year to you guys. Kitty's. We gotta recover some plays in here. What's up, Casey? Adios, Wall Street. Really appreciate everyone, team. We'll talk soon. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Danielle Spears, love you. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well a very, very good weekend and a happy new year. And I'll catch you at the bell in 2024. Adios. Yeah.